up and up. Starting with the right. You're going to go 4 times over the head. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the basic step. After that, we're going to do the same again. Down, down, clap, clap, down, down, clap, clap, step, turn, hands up, 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 up. Let's try it all together. 5, 6, 7, and down, down, clap, clap, down, down, step and turn, and step. Turn, step, hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. You got it. That's pretty much what you have to learn. After that, everything is incredibly easy. Incredibly easy, everybody. We're going to start with the song straight away. You're perfect.
Well, I got his nice ass.
You got it. Totally got it.
Start out with his ass and then get hers.
Get ready. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Down, down. Step and turn. Step, turn, step, hands up. 1, 2, 3. Down, down. There you go. Step and turn. Hands up. With the hands up to the side. And step together. Step other side. Step together. Step one more time. Step. Você conmigo. Walking. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Nice and easy, right? Hands on the hips now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down. Step and turn. Step. Step and up. Down, down. Step and turn. Step, turn. Step, hands up. Hands up. Get ready. We're going to go to the side. There you go. Come on the side. Yo quiero bailar. Walking. And a clap. Another clap. Got it. Hands on the hips. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. On the side. Nice. Down, down. Step and turn. Step. Step and up. Jimmy. Oh yeah. Jimmy. Jimmy. Down, down. Here we go. Down. Step and turn. Hands up. To the side. Nice. You people are amazing. Amazing. Você comigo. Walking. Yeah. Come on. Dale, dale. Hits. 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 On the side. Down, down. Yeah. And step. Turn. Step. Hands up. Down, down again. Step and turn. Hands up. 2 more times. Step and turn. Hands up. Down, down. One last time. And step. Turn. Step. Hands up. Nice. Well done. You saw that, right? That was completely easy.
Debbie, there is no can't. There is no can't.
There's no such a thing as I cannot.
Thank you.
We never, yes, exactly. I know. So, the next one is going to be,
She's leaving with it.
there you go.
Get a rope.
Okay. Get a rope. Okay, the next one, we're going to dance a little merengue, everybody. Merengue is really easy. Basic merengue is going to be side to side, all right? Side, 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 and from then on, I'm going to explain you absolutely everything. What are we going to do for the chorus? Every time that I say hands up, what are we going to do? We're going to push hands up, and then down.
Oh my God.
To the front, up, back, down. Front, up, back, down.
My texts are like
Front, up, back, down. At some point, I'm going to say everybody to the right. So we're going to go to the right and step together, step and a clap, and step. together, step, one more time, and step, together, step, and clap, and step, together, step, and clap. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's pretty much everything you have to know about that one.
Yeah.
Up, up, down, down. Whenever I say hands up. Here we go.
Solo somos y dos, bailamos y pidiendo más y más.
Remember, we're gonna go step, 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 step. When the music stops. Don't get excited again. Get ready. Here we go. 5, 6, side to side. Side, side. There you go. Okay, when the music changes to the right, we're gonna go to the front and to the back. In a wheel half. 5, 6, front and back. Front and back. Front and back. With the right and front. And back and front. Now we're gonna swing it out. Swing. With the hips. Swing. Swing. Alright. Swing. Now we're gonna cross. Cross, back, back. Cross, back, back. And cross, back, back. There you go. Cross. Hands up. Get up. Up and down. Up, down, up, down, up. Everybody to the right. And step. And step. And up. And step. And step. Another grab. Side, 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 side. Facing the leg, right? Facing the leg. Now we're gonna go down and up. With the chest. And down, up, down, up, down, up, down. With the right, front and back. Front, 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 front. Hands up. There we go. Up and down. Up, down. To the right. In. One more time. Hands up. Down. Up. Up. To the right. There you go. Now we're gonna go step touch. 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 Now we're gonna slide it. Slide. 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 Side, side. Front and back. Front and back. Front. Everybody swing it down. Swing. Hips. Swing. One more time. Swing. Hip. Swing. Cross to the front. Cross. Back. Back. Cross. Back. Back. Cross. Back. Okay, step forward and step back. Step, step, back, back. Step, step, back, back. Step, step, back, back. Take it easy right now. Catch your breath. Because we're gonna hit it really hard with the hands up and down. Okay? Get ready. Here we go. With the hands up. Come on. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Everybody to the right. There you go. One more time. Hands up. Down. Yeah. Up and down. One more time. Up. 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 Low and rumba. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Girl, I have to say it. You're awesome. You're awesome. You are awesome.
Good job, Debbie.
Who do I have to sign up to be your son? Okay.
I want a t-shirt. Oh, Jesus.
Okay. So, the next one, we're going to make it a little easy for everybody. I believe most of you should know this song. You know the Cupid Shuffle. Who knows how to dance Cupid Shuffle? 1, 2. 2. That's it. No more. Okay. To dance the Cupid Shuffle, I have to face the same way you guys are facing, so I'm going to face this way.
Nice.
And what are we doing? Good girl. I insist I will send you a copy of the against of the policy.
Nice.
Okay, so what are we going to do with the Cupid Shuffle? We're going to go 4 steps to the right and a clap, 4 steps to the left and a clap. All right, let's try it. The steps are going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and left, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and stop. Once we stop right here, we're going to go 4 kicks starting with the right. We're going to go kick, and 2, and 3, and 4. Stop. After we stop right here, we're going to turn. All right, we're going to work it by ourselves. We're going to put the hands up. You can put the hands down. You can put the hands on the hips. You do whatever, yeah, you can do like the way you're doing back there. It's fine. I will allow you to do that. Okay, so turning that way. We're going to just turn quarter. All right, so we're going to be facing them, and we're going to dance for them. Yeah? So facing me first, and we're going to go from the beginning to the right. And 5, 6, 7, and to the right. Right, 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 then left. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 kicks. Kick, 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 and turn. Work it, work it, work it, work it. Once we're facing this way, immediately we start to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, and left, and left, and left, and left. 4 kicks. Kick, 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 and work it. Work it, work it. Yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea. All right, everybody. We're ready to do this. Face me. After this, we're going to dance the warmest dance we have. Get ready. She's having a good time, right?
Yes, she is.
Get ready. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. More kicks. And turn.
Not all the way.
Yeah. 4 kicks. And turn. Here we go. Left. 4 kicks now. And kick. And kick. And kick. And kick turn. Take. Left. Kick. And turn. Follow the other. They're pros. Here we go. That was cool. Turn to the right again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And kick, 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 kick. Shake, 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 shake. Nice. Very nice, people. Nice. Well done. We can do one more if you want to do the hardest one. You got it right. All right. Who knows how to dance a wobble?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna learn, girl.
I love the song.
It is amazing. It's a really good song. All right. So I'm going to teach you the wobble. I'm going to play it first. Who has no idea what the wobble is? Okay, this is going to be a pretty long.
I've seen one. I don't know.
Yes.
My kid.
Okay, check it out.
All the shorties in the car, let me see you dance. Back it up, drop it down, let me see you dance. Get low, drop it down, let me see you dance.
Listen to the music.
Push it up, let me see you dance.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah.
You've never?
Those are the 4 wobbles that I'm going to teach you. They're the easiest you will ever see in your life. The first wobble, everybody, we're going to jump to the front. Yeah, it's very hard.
Oh, jump.
We're going to make it harder and harder. Okay, if you don't want to jump, you don't really have to jump. But what you have to do, you have to work with your hands at the front. So, if you're doing the wobble to the front, we're going to jump to the front. We're going to put both hands in the front. And we're going to wobble, 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 wobble.
I didn't get that. Can you repeat that, please?
You're going to have 6.5 minutes to check it out. The second wobble, we're going to jump to the back. And we're going to put the hands on the side or like kind of going back, right? So we're going to jump to the back and we're going to go wobble, 2, 3, 4.
Debbie, clean your... That's your fucking bill. Do the next fucking stop. Debbie, like this.
So the third wobble, we're going to put the hands up on the left hand side. And we're going to wobble it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you got it, girl. The first wobble, up on the right hand side and wobble. 2, 3, and 4. Nice. After this, we're going to go with a cha-cha step. With the right, we're going to step forward, back, cha-cha-cha. And left, back, cha-cha-cha. After we finish these 2 cha-cha steps, we're going to go with 8 counts. And we're going to change direction. We're going to be dancing in a quarter, alright? So we're going to change, and we're going to face that way. Starting with the right, 8 counts, one after the other. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once we reach 8, we're going to start all over again from the beginning to the front. And wobble, 2, 3, to the back. Wobble, 2, 3, to the left. Wobble, 2, 3, to the right. Wobble, 2, 3, cha-cha.
She's a drooler.
Why are we switching sides? Step, back, cha-cha-cha, and step. 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do it facing the pool. Yeah? And that's the whole thing. You guys are going to be ready. Here we go.
All the shorties in the car, let me see you dance.
You're ready.
Drop it down, let me see you dance. Get low,
Here we go.
let me see you dance.
And 5, 6, 7. Here we go. To the front. To the back. Left. Cha-cha. Step. Cha-cha. Step. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Back it up. Left. To the right. Chop, chop, step back, chop, chop, step back, chop, chop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing the pool to the front. Hey.
I'm shaking it, it's like mangoes, man. I'm shaking the city like coke, man. Ladies blowing the face like mangoes. I'm making the cake, so let's make it. I'm talking the game, the game's mine. Yeah, I want to change my time.
1,
Yeah, I'm
2,
to the game,
3,
child.
4,
5, 6, like
Here we go.
I can dance all day, I want you to step. Yeah, I'm looking at something like a truth, yeah. A girl told me that a man that can dance might could possibly get down with the tool in his hand. Now I'm a ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your bird. I'm a bird, make your baby back low in the party real fast, just like a
Wobble, baby, 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 wobble.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go.
Girl, wobble it, and I'ma gobble it. I see you moving your head, see it bobble it. You can cradle with them straight ragged, and the girl say, man, that is the right shit. Damn, I'm so explicit. Back way, I'm Florida. Wobble got a gift like a gift to Christmas.
Let's entertain them.
They won't get this, and they gon' pray. See it, let them in the bed while I'm saying my scriptures. Cause I be only like a prayer in the temple. I move with the letter of pencil. My whole mission, good night kiss you. Take it down back, cause you got pistol. And all that, now the nigga I leave this shit is on.
Baby, wobble, 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 baby, wobble.
Alright, now we're going to do it slow to the front. Slow, slow, and slow. Slow back. Slow left. Slow right. And step. Chop, chop. Step. Chop, chop. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's do it like we don't care. To the front.
Wobble, wobble, shake, 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 wobble, wobble, shake, push it, show me what you got, show me what you got.
Rock it, Debbie!
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. And step. Chop, chop. We're going to do wobble again to this side. Wobble. Here we go. To the front.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby,
I can see you through the mirror.
He's watching you. Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah, to the front. Back up. Set. Chop, chop. Set. Chop, chop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, stop. Nice, everybody. Big round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much for joining me, girl. I can see.